Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of animals. This jellyfish glows in the dark. This is due to the fact that their bodies contain fluorescent proteins, which helps them attract prey. The mother bear tries to get her kids across the road, but they refuse to go.
Two, three, Rambo started. Rambo is finished. That is a 20-liter bucket of water, ladies and gentlemen. Going just like that.
This cat loves to be picked up. Just very beautiful footage of a horse running along the beach. This kitten wants to play with his mother. This is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you soon.